Okay, this ingredient right here, most people have never cooked with it before. It's called Cordyceps flour, and once you see what it does to this steamed pork, you're gonna wanna try it too. So today, we're making a classic Chinese steamed pork with cabbage. First, grab 300 grams of lean pork. We're marinating it with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of brown sugar, and a splash of olive oil. Nothing fancy, just simple pantry stuff doing all the heavy lifting. Now for the star of the show. In goes the Cordyceps flour. This little ingredient is what makes this dish stand out from your usual steamed pork. Mix it right into the pork so every bite gets that subtle, earthy flavor. Give everything a good mix so all that flavor gets evenly distributed, then let it marinate for 30 minutes. This is the perfect time to prep your cabbage and maybe sneak a snack. Layer your Chinese cabbage into your steaming bowl, sprinkle a little salt over it. This helps draw out moisture and season it from the base up. Then pile that marinated pork right on top. Into the steamer it goes for 30 minutes. And honestly, this is the best part of the process. You just walk away and let the steam do all the work while your kitchen starts smelling incredible. Garnish with chopped spring onions. And look at that. Tender pork, silky cabbage, and that subtle earthy sweetness tying it all together. If you've never cooked with Cordyceps flour before, this is honestly the easiest way to try it. And trust me, it's worth it. If you tried this recipe, drop a comment and let me know how it turned out. And if you want more simple, comforting Chinese recipes like this one, hit follow. I've got a lot more coming your way.